All right, so for this assignment, we are going to work on practicing to changing our layers, renaming stuff, and editing individual layers. So once you open up this layers practice with shapes file, you'll see that you have some different layers here. The first step we're going to do is we're going to rename each individual layer based off of what I was trying to get Corbin out this thing. So based off of what the shape is, this one we're going to rename to diamond. And you just double click on it and you can rename it heart. That's a circle. And then we have a rectangle. Next, we're going to turn off the visibility from each layer except for the rectangle. So we're going to turn off the visibility. That's this little eyeball right beside it. And so now we can only see the blue rectangle. So we're going to select our blue rectangle using whatever selection tool you want. So I'm just going to get my quick selection tool. You can use whichever one you want to. And I'm just going to select it. And you see it selected by the dancing ants around it. So once I have it selected, I'm going to get the paint bucket and I'm going to change it to the color green. So your paint bucket's going to be right here. If you have your rulers turned on, it'll be right near the 3. Get my paint bucket, and then I'm going to come down here to the very bottom where I have my color swatches. The color in the front is called your foreground color, and the color in the back is called your background color. So we're going to change our foreground color to a green, whatever green you would like. Say okay. And then all you do now is you just click on and you can change that there. So now we're going to turn our visibility back on and we're going to deselect our rectangle. And we're going to deselect our rectangle by pushing Command D. Next, we're going to remove visibility from each layer except for the circle, and we're going to change the circle to the color blue. So I've done those. You get whatever selection tool you would like to use to select the circle. But you have to have, see, I was trying to select it while my rectangle layer is active. Select the circle layer, and then you can select this circle file. Okay, and we're going to change it to blue. So I'm going to get my paint bucket. I'm going to go back to blue. And now that one is blue. We're going to, next, we will be repeating this and changing the color of the heart to pink and then the diamond to yellow. All right, so heart's going to be pink. Command D. We're going to select the heart layer, change it to pink. There we go. We're going to turn the diamond on, heart off, and we're going to change the diamond to yellow. All right. So once we have that, what we're going to do is we're going to relayer we're going to reorder the layers. So the diamond is on the bottom, then the heart, then the circle, then the rectangle, then the circle. So diamond will be on the bottom. So we're going to turn everything on. We're going to bring diamond down to the bottom. You just click and drag it. Then the heart, rectangle, and circle on top. So when I deselect, it should look like this. We're going to use the move tool to move our circle to the top left-hand corner and the rectangle to the bottom right hand. So we're going to get our move tool. We're going to click on the circle layer. We're going to move it to the top left-hand corner, like that. We're going to click on the rectangle layer, get our move tool, and we're going to move it to the bottom right-hand corner. All right. So you are actually going to use this file in the next assignment. So make sure you just file save and save this file. But I would like a screenshot turned in of this right here for this assignment.